Meaning of deliriously.
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 Deliriously. Deliriously is an adverb that describes a state of extreme excitement, happiness, or pleasure. When someone is deliriously happy, they are filled with intense joy and excitement. They may feel as if they are in a dreamlike state where everything is perfect and nothing can go wrong. This feeling is often accompanied by physical symptoms such as a pounding heart, trembling hands, and a rush of adrenaline throughout the body. In short, being deliriously happy is an overwhelming feeling of joy and happiness that engulfs a person completely and makes them feel like they are on top of the world.